श्रीमान वी सिद्धार्थ इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज 100 एमई कंपनी एनसीसी कैडेट्स परेड करने के लिए अनुमति चाहता हूँ। जय हिंद श्रीमान। सैल्यूट करना बाय सैल्यूट सैल्यूट। सैल्यूट करना तैने सैल्यूट सैल्यूट। Wait, come. Wait, what's it? What's it?
My dear colleagues and beloved students and NCC cadets, good morning to all of you and welcome to the 74th Republic Day celebrations of the Velagapudi Ramakrishna Siddhartha Engineering College, Vijayawada. In fact, after independence till 26 January 1950, the country is not having its own method and philosophy of governance. After independence, it has been following the governance philosophy that is laid out by Britishers in 1935. They have continuously followed the same methodology, but in 1950, under the leadership of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and some more eminent personalities who were part of our freedom movement, formulated an instrument of governance for such a large country which is having diversified people with languages, states, religions, cultures, customs. But all these years, over the last more than 73 years, the same governance instrument has been used by the various governments to govern this entire country. All these developments that we could able to visualize today is because of that document. The document has came into existence with a lot of effort, sacrifices of many of the forefathers, what we have been learning and learned and studied through our literature, through our history, and through our various books which we have come across since childhood. So that is why every organization like us also must have a similar type of document which we need to follow at all levels, department levels, similarly faculty levels, student levels, so that the ultimate aim of any organization must be in tune with the aim of the overall country's vision, mission and development. That is how the other countries have been followed and they could be able to develop themselves to such a level in the entire globe. So similar to that, we must also plan and also develop the documents which are relevant to us in order to improve the quality of the education and also in order to meet the requirements of the problems of the society as well as the industry. Because whatever education we are giving, whatever learning we are imparting to the students, whatever degrees we are awarding to the students must help the society in such a way that society must feel happy, must feel comfortable, must enjoy the freedom expected by our forefathers, our freedom fighters, our parents and citizens of this country. And similarly, we must always remember the sacrifices made by the forefathers. You know that how many of them has sacrificed their lives sacrificed their families, sacrificed their children. You can understand only if you go through the history of the country, history of the freedom movement, so on and so on. So keeping those historical background of the freedom struggle, historical background of how we have come up to this level in the country, I request all the students, all the faculty to always remember and imbibe some of the great qualities of our ancestors and continue to cherish their role in getting the freedom to this country and continues to cherish the kind of effort and dedication they have put for not only for getting the freedom to this country, but also afterwards over the last 70 years, how they have brought the growth and development to this level. And we expect the same kind of commitment, involvement from every corner of the institution, so that whatever effort we put it must be transformed and translated into the useful outcomes of the society and industry. And whatever degrees we provide, we award to the students must help the society as a whole in the further development of our in and around surroundings, our state and also country at large as a whole. And with these few words, I thank all of you to be part of the 74th Republic Day celebrations of VRSCC. And thank you, Nanda. And we'll proceed further to the cultural programs into the auditorium. Thank you, Nanda.
जय शिवान शिवान मनांदर एमई कंपनी एनसीसी कैडेट्स परेड को विसर्जन करने के लिए अनुमति चाहता हूं। जय शिवान कंजन विसर्जन। जय शिवान।